Thanks for joining us for the next part of our webinar. Last year we introduced the versatile 3D Interconnect, changing the way we collaborate with others. 3D Interconnect allows us to bring in other CAD files and use them as if they're native files. In SOLIDWORKS 2018, there are a few notable new enhancements. 3D Interconnect now supports neutral file formats such as ACES, IGES, and STAT files. These files no longer need to be translated and instead can be simply inserted into your SOLIDWORKS assemblies and used like any other components. This works the same way native third-party files can with SOLIDWORKS 3D Interconnect. Otherwise, these files can be easily updated without the need for deleting and re-importing the files. Other new enhancements take your third-party 3D files further, including support for reference geometry. Reference planes are useful for mating in assemblies and as sketch planes. Unconsumed sketches can be used just like SOLIDWORKS sketches, enabling you to reference and create features from files created outside of SOLIDWORKS. This will allow us to do more with existing files from other 3D design tools, eliminating the need for time-consuming migration of data. Finally, custom properties are now supported for your legacy 3D file, either opening a third-party file or inserting it directly into an assembly. This means builds of materials and drawings can now automatically read and populate themselves using the information previously defined in their native design tool. 3D Interconnect continues to allow us to leverage 3D design data from whatever source you like without compromising on capability. Let's take a look at another topic in our next video.